Hi everyone, welcome to SN43 official YouTube channel, where we explore the world of illustration and creativity. Today, we're diving into the fascinating process of bringing a character to life. From sketch to finished artwork. It all starts with a rough sketch, capturing the essence and personality of our character. This initial stage is all about exploring ideas and finding the right pose and expression. Once we're happy with the sketch, it's time to refine our lines and create a clean, crisp outline. This step is crucial for defining the shapes and details of our character. With our line art complete, it's time to add some color. Whether you prefer bold and vibrant tones or soft and subtle shades, coloring is where our character truly comes to life. Finally, we add the finishing touches with shading and highlights, adding depth and dimension to our artwork. This stage is all about fine-tuning and polishing our illustration until it shines. And there you have it, the illustration process from start to finish. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your imagination run wild. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on art and creativity. And don't forget to drop in comment section your favorite character for me to draw next. Until next time, keep imagining, creating, and having fun.